Hey guys, welcome to a brand new video. Today we're going to compare two speakers. The first going to be the Sony XB23 versus JBL Flip 5 to see which one sounds the best. First we're going to connect it to the Sony, then we're going to connect it to the JBL. It's coming with IP67, it's waterproof, plus water resistant. And it's coming with a 12 hours of battery, and you can answer phone call. You can use the app to set that into a stereo, and you can connect multiple speakers together. You can use the Sony dedicated app to control bass and more into the audio side of it. So you have power button, Bluetooth, pause and play, and a phone call, volume control, and you have battery and party chain. It's coming with a USB-C JBL. It's the Flip 5. It came out almost a year ago. 12 hours of battery. IP7, so it is a waterproof, so you can take them into the water. Pause and play, volume control, and connect. So you can connect multiple speakers together. You have the power button, Bluetooth, and USB-C for charging. One thing it doesn't do, you can't answer phone calls on the JBL.
That I could have done something, but now I'm left with an empty heart. No making amends, no waking up beside you and holding you till we forget it all. How could I know there was no second chances? Like dominoes, my life got really scattered. You couldn't keep the door shut, and now it's creeping in. 'Cause I've been stone cold since you left me here. So come home. Why won't you reappear? Things that I said came out totally wrong. Can't speak of the truth when it's tainted. I fell into a big black hole. It got me stone cold. You better turn up. You better be there when I shake. Watch me rocking if I can't stop. If I should fall, just go ahead. Go and catch me, baby. I live it. That's my choo-choo-choo-choo. Teardrops start to dry, even when the sun begins to shine again. I'm taking all the advice there is, and none of it has helped. Experience has made me realize that I won't build my life on empty words. Being so damn naive, it only hurts. Never knew that it could feel this way when you lie next to someone. You don't even need to play pretend, 'cause you find the way you are. I wanna know you better, give me every detail. I won't judge you, as you know. I could stay forever when you're lying in my arms. My heart is open. to try. Even when the sun begins to shine again, I'm taking all the advice there is, and none of it has helped. Experience has made me realize that I won't build my life on empty words. Being so damn naive, it only hurts. I'm so tired of love songs like if it turns out the way they do. I've been trying for so long, looking for someone who wants me to. I've heard every cliche there is, and none of them make sense. I'm so tired of love songs. I'm sick and tired of love songs. I wanna do it all with you by my side. If you're in, meet me here tonight. Be brave and come along. I'll be. I wanna be a weekend lover. Yeah, I'ma be the best damn lover you got. I wanna mess up your covers. You love. I don't wanna meet your mother. Never ever ask me how I've been. Remember why you have my number. You love. I'm the best thing that has ever happened to you. Here's your time to shine. Now show me what you can do. The way my hands feel on your body, the way we're dancing in the dark. With every move I make, you're falling.
So JBL have more bass for a full volume speakers. Both of them are in full volume. The JBL sound much more louder, much is filled the room. I really like the bass on the JBL. When you listen to bass or just a bass related songs, you can feel the difference between the Sony and JBL. So if you guys are interested in one of these, I'll leave the link below. If I'm picking, I will pick the JBL Flip 5 over the Sony XB23. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, like the video, leave the comments below. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, please subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. Hope you guys enjoyed it.